Hi Roseville, I'm here at MyDo Regional Park to show you our new fitness court. But first, I want to talk to you a little bit about summer jobs. I know, it's only January. Whew, why am I dressed for summer?
We're far away from summer, but we're already making plans for hiring lifeguards, parks, and camp staff for the summer season. We have a job overview program coming up to tell you all about the different options available and a jobs workshop to help you prepare. Be sure to visit our website to RSVP for these programs. Speaking of programs, the January through May edition of Experience PRL Magazine goes live on the website on January 6th. The new magazine has special interest stories, staff highlights, and a packed lineup of programs and events, including the much anticipated return of Comedy Night, and we've even added a 90s themed fun run.
Welcome back to the MyDo Fitness Court located between the library and the community center.
This court offers something for everyone, regardless of fitness level or skill. Just download the Fitness Court mobile app for a library of free workouts. Thank you to the National Fitness Campaign and California Park and Recreation Society for providing funding to help bring this court to Roseville. We know every year many of us make resolutions to improve our health and fitness, so we're here to help. In addition to the new fitness court at MyDo, we also have our Be Well Roseville program, which includes fitness in the park and nutrition workshops. If you really want to step up your fitness game, Core Fitness memberships offer a friendly atmosphere which includes training classes, a weight room, cardio equipment, open gym, and water fitness, all for a low price and no contract.
Thanks for joining me, and as always, let us know if there's anything you want to hear about in the future. See you next time, Roseville!
Sign up for more Roseville news and events at roseville.ca.us/connect.